guys, JJ here, and I'm gonna show you how to get what's it called, a Minecraft Blender intro. So you see the Blender program here. You could just make one, which I did, which took for freaking forever. And yeah, so I'll just show you the fast way that I first did it. Then I realized, why can't I should do one myself. So I did. So anyway, so how to do it, just go to Google Chrome or something and type just, YouTube. And then it's loading, loading. Okay. Anyways, so you type up top 10 gaming intros, and then just like this one. Wait, I made a mistake. It's meant to be Blender. Okay. So let's just get this one. Sorry, I have the hiccups. So this is my push to insanity. Does it like say? So no, it just has to be Blender. That's all. Here, the first one. So just get that, and then you go. So I'll just choose 5. Oh, wait, this is the we'll do this one. So let's watch it. So as you see, this used to be my old intro. So yeah, this is the one. I was like, hey, I'm gonna get that from someone, and then I just did my own. So yeah, in the description of that video, I said thanks to Push to Insanity to do it. So what you gonna do? I'm just being weird. I'm saying what you gonna do. Anyways, so you go at the very bottom, and press download. So that will be loading. So while that's waiting, I guess I'll just there's nothing really to do. Wait. Oh, I know. So let's listen to some music that were gonna be part of my intro, but I decided no. Oh no, actually never mind. So you'll see this. You just press this. It's just purple. I'm just gonna press it because I'm a gangster thug life. break every rule. Okay, anyways, I really suck at singing. So is it? No, I don't want it. I don't want it. Yeah, so you see, it's what what? Oh my god! Downloading. And so well that it just went to 7 seconds to 1 minute. Anyways, so when that's done, you go to Finder, you go to Downloads, and just choose one, and then just get it. So let's get this one. So this is like one of the ones that I downloaded. So it wasn't a one I created. So we'll hear it. Let me just turn up the volume. So that's it. Yeah, I know. Let me turn the sound. So yeah, if you want to change, if you want to put your name in it, you right click, press tab, and then there's like 2 layers. So I'm just gonna do like lol noobs. I'm just gonna do lol, and then you do for the you do the same for the other one. Wait. There, and press tab again. So that's the name. If you want to choose the music, you go up here and press video editing. So you wanna right click this, hold the key X, then press enter. So you see that's gone. You have to put this all the way to the start for it to work. So I'm just gonna put this song into it. So so yeah, that's how you change it. So if you want to save it, you go here, you go to this camera, you name it whatever you want. So I'm just gonna name this lol, and no. Okay, there. And then you choose one of these. I'm gonna choose Xvid, and then you go up here to animation. Oh look, that's so sad. So we can't, if that happens, like that sometimes happens. So if that doesn't work, try a different template and you'll do it, see it. So just copy that, and then when it's like done rendering and animating, you go and type out what it was. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. So then after that, you can, no, that's a texture pack, I'll do that soon. So so now you've created it. So like, yeah, we'll hear it. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, I mean, you drop a like and subscribe. That'll be greatly appreciated. And I talk so. I talk. Never mind. So yeah, I will be doing how to get a texture pack soon. Soon. Anyways, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed and get to the future. Oh my, future of it. Anyways, yeah, see you guys.